What's up, guys? I am back here and I've got another little quick unboxing for you. It is Artman batteries for GoPro. This is a Hero 7 Black. It's a little old school, you can see with the frame on it, but still works for me. However, batteries, well, I lost one, so that doesn't help. I only got one, so I had to pick up one of these. And comparing to the original GoPro batteries, those guys run for $80 just for the battery cell itself. So I got these guys here. This is a 3-pack of batteries that are Hero compatible. Hero 7, I think 6 and 5, I believe. Yep, 5, 6, and 7. And they are, this is like $40, $35, $40 for a 3-pack. So let's open it up and see what's in the box. So USB charging cable. And like I said, there's a 3-pack of them. Definitely has the right shape. It's got the little pull tab on it, just like the original ones do. Really well packaged, actually. You know, Artman battery for Hero 7, 6, and 5. So there it is. 3 of them. So I mean, you can't really complain. 1500 milliamp storage space on them. Let's just have a quick verify on the GoPro. See how well it fits. So there you go. Pull out the original. Quick comparison on the original. Obviously it's going to be identical. Take that and pop that in there. And we'll actually get to see what kind of charge it came with. Boom. It is on. And you can see the battery comes with a 60%. See if I can show you that. 60% charge. So we'll get these guys all charged up and ready to go. We'll go from there. Turn this off. And it comes with also this charging block, which compared to the Hero 7 original charging, that one only had 2 slots to charge. This one's got 3. So we can, those guys just pop in there. And yeah, you can actually feel like a little bit of a click in place where the contacts are kind of locking in. Here, let's take the Hero original and make sure that goes in, and it does. Shouldn't be a surprise. So we'll take this, like that. Standard USB on one end and USB-C on the other. Just goes on the back like that. And we will go plug it in and I'll show you what that looks like. It looks on when it's plugged in. So there's what it is plugged in. You can see the charging indicators on there, and it's charging up. Pretty straightforward. Yeah, we'll see how long they last. I expect them to, you know, kind of do the job. And that is it, folks. We will see you next time on whatever else I end up buying. Have fun and stay safe. Take care.